Hey traders, welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for a crypto market check-in and update. In today's video, we're just going to review some news and some charting. So this video will be a little bit shorter, again, nursing a broken hand, so bear with me here. We'll just go through some news and events, then we'll look at the overall crypto market. So we saw that Grayscale adds 2.4 billion worth of crypto in 3 days. Bitcoin bull Chamath Papa, I can never say his name, running for California governor, and he is a Bitcoin bull. Ethereum-based blockchain solutions to now feature in 80 Chinese cities. And with Yellen confirmed, Treasury moves forward with stalled crypto monitoring rule. And we also saw that major crypto exchange adds XRP despite the SEC lawsuit. And then we saw some tumbling of Bitcoin there this morning. But Coinbase yearly review shows growing institutional interest in Ethereum. And full-blown collapse of USDT may not have a huge effect on the wider market. And just taking a look here, that's pretty much it. Ripple expands in Asia Pacific despite legal uncertainty. And Bitcoin ETF approval, Cathie Wood says unlikely until market cap rises to about 2 trillion. And altcoin season booming under the radar, says top trader. So that's pretty much all we had for news on the day today. And taking a look at the overall market, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are scouting 15-minute higher lows, and Ethereum a little bit stronger here on those higher lows, still yet to test those lows. Bitcoin looking to set a double bottom, and we did have an hourly inverse head and shoulders that confirmed on Bitcoin. So we'll look to set an hourly higher low here and continue that move. It does look like our 4-hour higher lows are set now that the 15-minute trends are confirmed in an uptrend. So we'll just take a look at Bitcoin here. So again, if you were watching this potential descending triangle, if you were using the real candle bodies and those little lower wicks there, you could have drawn this descending triangle just like so. And we did break out of that bearish, and we're still finding resistance there at that neckline. So that was notable. But you can see here on the daily chart, we were in a daily downtrend. We do have the low here at 28,732, and we have the high, and now we're looking for a higher low compared to that low of 28,732. We can form a higher low, break resistance here at 34,888. This is on Coinbase. That will confirm a daily uptrend. We'll have to be cautious of EMA 12 and 26 bear crosses here as well. And we'll just take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, like I said, holding up a lot better. We have a lot more room to form those daily higher lows. So from the high here, from the current levels, we could drop about 20% and still be in a daily uptrend looking for daily higher lows. So Ethereum is very strong. It's holding EMA 12. I'm personally swinging some Ethereum. That's all I have in my portfolio at the moment. And like I said, looking to nail those daily higher lows and bounce off EMA 12 on the daily. But we need to change that 4-hour trend back to an uptrend to be confident that the daily higher lows are set. So you can see here with the low, high, need to form a higher low compared to 12,045. We can do so and then break resistance of 1375. That will confirm a 4-hour uptrend and daily higher low is likely set. And we can look up to recent all-time highs, $14,077. And then after that, it'll be blue sky breakout. And obviously $1,500 will be a nice round psychological number. And just taking a look at the weekly chart, still no consolidation on the weekly. But this could still be a potential daily bull flag. The idea is there. We pulled back a little bit more than I would like to see, but if we just draw this out here, yeah, we did pull back to the 0.5. So pulled back a little bit more than we'd like to see, but we did close the candle above the 3.2 fib. So the idea is there. We'll see if we can continue to see some daily continuation here and blue sky breakouts going into tomorrow and this evening. So congrats to the bulls who bought the dip. We did hit the low of this morning we had 12,045 and essentially stop loss hunt those who were using EMA 12 as a support. So we'll take a look at the weekly indicators here. So we'll start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a lower high every candle for the last 3 weeks in a row, 4 weeks in a row. So once we break the pattern of a lower high every candle, that will be a significant momentum shift back to the bulls. We also have the 10-week moving average down there at 27,805. So could be strong support if we do drop to 27,000. I would expect 27,800 and 27,500 to act as strong support. We are curling downward here and bearish on the stochastic. Not the end of the world though. We still are above the 10-week moving average. The MACD hasn't crossed bearish yet. So if all three of these were, if we were to drop below the 10-week moving average, the stochastic remained bearish as it is now, and the MACD crossed bearish, then that would be three for three, and we would start to look the other way and possibility of more further weekly consolidation. But we are seeing decreasing sell volume here on this consolidation, which we like to see. And it could be a potential of a weekly bull flag as well. So taking a look at ETH USD. So again, a lot further away from its 10-week moving average. The stochastic has yet to cross bearish. It almost flipped on us. The MACD is still extremely bullish. And I wanted to highlight that we did have a 50 weekly moving average crossing through the 200 weekly moving average, which is very, very bullish. If that happens on the daily, it's considered a golden cross. So this on the weekly time frame is even more bullish in my opinion. And if we just bring up the Hive chart as well, Hive blockchain, which mines primarily Ethereum, it's very similar here as well. You can see we have a potential 50 weekly and 200 weekly moving average cross here. If that were to happen, we already had the 50 cross through the 100. That would be mirroring exactly what happened on Ethereum. And we could potentially see another big move here on Ethereum. We could target 1,500 and 1,600 and beyond, maybe even 2,000 here before this move tops out. So something I'm keeping an eye on. Taking a look at BTC here on the weekly moving averages as we wrap up. So again, weekly bull flag potential well above the 50, 100, and the 200 moving average. 50 weekly moving average is all the way down at 13,625. On the daily, we are holding the 50 DMA and we are cautious. We're still bearish until proven otherwise, but we absolutely need to get back above, in my opinion, 35,000 to remain bullish. Anything below 35,000 is going to just be flirting with danger. And personally, if we were to lose the 50-day moving average, that would be significant. That hasn't happened since all the way back here in October, down around 10,000. So very, very important level going forward. Taking a look at Ethereum on the daily moving averages and the chart on the daily. Again, well above the 50, 100, and the 200-day moving average. The daily MACD is bearish. But again, just looking for those daily higher lows and all about the 4-hour chart. Taking a look at Bitcoin here on the weekly. So we do have the VWAP down here around 24,500 as well. So that could be another potential, and 25,000 psychological would be a very strong support as well. So if we do see more weekly consolidation, if we do break the low here of 28,817, we can expect further weekly consolidation and then maybe a bounce around the weekly VWAP. We also have the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average on the weekly down here as well. So again, no major red flags and all about those 4-hour charts. So let me know in the comments below if you are still investing in Bitcoin primarily, or are you shifting to altcoins? Are there any particular altcoins that you're looking at? If you'd like anything covered, just drop me a comment in the section below of this video in the comments, and I'll do my best to get some TA done on that for you. So thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth for a Crypto Market Check-in. We'll see you tomorrow after market close for some more updates and daily market recaps. Take care, everyone. Have a great night and stay safe out